Imagine your teachers ask you to store the marks of 100 students. What will you do? How will you store the marks? Will you store by making individual variables like marks 1, marks 2 up to marks 100? Of course not. Then what will be the better solution? Exactly, this is where an array comes in action. So welcome back everyone to the viewers. This is Abhi and today I will be starting my new DSA series where I will be explaining DSA concepts in as easier as I can. So don't worry about the memorization. I will take care and I will try my best to give a visual feeling of what the data structure it is. So think of array like a container where you can store similar type of elements. Now rather than storing each elements and maintaining and managing hundreds of variables, we can use an array. You can see the blocks that are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60, where each blocks has a address and an index. You can see index on the top. Think of it like a train where each coach is numbered as coach 0, coach 1, coach 2, coach 3. Like if you have to access third coach, you can simply go to coach number 2, that will be your third coach. Similarly, like here, if you have to access elements 30, you can similarly go to ARR up to where 30 is stored. So this is how you can use the indexes to directly access the elements. We can access the elements directly as we already have the address, so we can access that independently. So now coming to the what does a contiguous memory means. So as I already explained, contiguous memory means you can say that continuous memory locations. Like if the one element is at address 1000, then the next element will be at 10,004. So we can, if we have address of 10,000 memory location, then we can go 10,004 similarly. So this is how we can access the elements faster. So now in the array, what we have learned? So we have learned mainly the 4 things. The first one is an array stores similar type of elements. An array has an index. An array is a contiguous block of memory, and an array makes the handling, or you can say management of many similar type of elements easier, because we don't have to manage hundred of variables. So this is all for today. In the next video, I will be explaining the operations like insertion, deletions, and other operations, like how we can perform them on array. So until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep building yourself. So thank you. Have a good day. Goodbye.